our next project and we're really excited about this one. This is a character semi, but it's a heritage one, which can sometimes scare people, but I'm very excited. We've got 2 bedrooms, a living space, 1 bathroom, and kind of a kitchen dining that's all in one and not really providing any flow.
So what we'd really like to do is let in some light in that back kitchen.
Absolutely.
French doors out to the patio, and somehow fit in some kind of dining nook or somewhere to sit and eat your meals.
Okay,
in
so
a
kind of
very little space.
in a very small space. And that's the other thing we've got. This property's got beautiful tall ceilings. We've got some archways down the hallway. I think really utilising that will make the rooms feel bigger as well.
Yeah.
So we're ready to get cracking. The builders are ready to get cracking. The toilet's on site. Let's go and have a look inside.
Can't wait.
I'm on site today. We've got a lot going on. Come and see what's happened. As you can see, we've got the back wall that's been ripped out. The kitchen's all gone. I've got no floor in the bathroom.
Okay, so bathroom. Toilet smack bang as you open the door. I think we can move the door over because it feels like vanity goes here, toilet nicked around here somewhere, opening door here,
Love that.
and this is the wet space. That just worked out way too easy. If only every space was that easy to design.
Now we have to run my bonnies.
I haven't put any measurements in.
Oh my god, she's calling. She's calling.
One of the things I love about renovating is readjusting the floor plan so it works for your family. This kitchen was a U-style shaped kitchen and it blocked off the entry into the backyard. The girls have got a fantastic design and we're going galley kitchen, and that's going to open up with 2 double doors into the courtyard and lead to great outdoor dining space. So this little outhouse here was where the laundry was. It was a little storage room, but it's in the backyard and we can't get rid of it because it's connected to the next door neighbour. A lot of people are now working from home, and with these inner city 2-bedroom, there's no space for a home office.
Speaking of this outdoor shed,
Yes.
I think we should be using this as a bar. A little drinks fridge, wine fridge.
Yes.
So the builders have been very busy. We've screeded.
Oh, the
we've
skylight
waterproofed.
looks fantastic.
Skylight,
Jump
letting
over
more
the
light
top
in
of
there.
you.
So we've got a bath, shower, wet space in there. We've made it a bit bigger. But this is from Amber. And you think you're pairing this with something else?
Well, you know I love a diamond.
You do love a diamond.
So I'm thinking of doing some kind of diamond lay that wraps around the room. And that's just not feeling big enough, so I might need 4 of them.
Okay, so we're out the back. We've wrapped the back of the property. We had old cladding here.
Yeah, it was a bit rotted, wasn't it?
Really rotted.
Okay, so we've decided to clad it with James Hardy's Strea.
Perfect. So they're big long planks. We've gone with a 300 and they stack, and we're going to clad the entire wall.
I just love that they've got that beautiful
I like that there's a
texture to
difference,
it.
absolutely, because it's then slightly different than the weatherboard look as well.
And now you're going to ask me what colour?
Yeah, I am. That's a tomorrow problem.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so kitchen, we do 1 big door
Okay.
or 2 French beautiful doors, which we would usually do.
Two.
Two.
I'd say 2. Because you want that opening to be as big as possible. And I know we're stepping down 2 steps to get there. We're not doing sliders because we're not cavity sliding into anything. That's too expensive for this kind of thing. And the plumbing's in the way. So it's just the French doors that open and latch.
Beautiful.
To themselves out the back.
No brainer.
Okay, so in the main part of the house, we'll keep the beautiful floorboards there.
Yeah.
And then we've got the extension, get rid of the core.
Get rid of the
And
core.
so there's one of 2 ways of doing this because we want to keep continuity. So on one hand, you could colour match the new flooring to the existing, or you can colour match the existing to the new, which is what you've done here. So you can keep this beautiful Embleton flooring for the back half of the house.
Now,
We're
our
gonna
job
sand.
is
Yes.
to
and
try and
stain.
colour match that.
So this is the first room of our little semi, and you can see like, oh my gosh, it has the most beautiful features, like the windows, this, like the cornices in here, even like the air vents are incredible. You can see it's called Breadcrumb by Dulux above, and then we've got another paint color by Dulux as well, which is called Purple Chalk. So we're doing two-tone in this bedroom. I think once it's done, it'll be absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, okay. So this is the amber tiles. The sealant is going down. We're getting there. We haven't grouted yet, but it's looking nice. So this is the Embleton, it's called the Amalfi, and it's kind of like that medium coloured oak that just goes with everything. It's like a good black dress, little black dress. Do people even wear little black dresses anymore? I don't know. I don't. So, kitchen is going in, and I wish Louisa was here with me because we could both have a heart attack together.
On cord, like having a conniption about...
That happens a bit at the moment.
The cabinetry's gone in. She's freaking out about this colour.
Love the colour, and on our mood boards, oh my God, it just looked incredible. But when you see it in real life, it's quite, it's a statement.
It's bold?
Yes, it's bold. Yes, it's bold, it's a statement. Ronnie, I won't be able to sleep for the rest of my life. Can you please come and respray the cabinetry? And he just goes, oh my God. Hopefully we don't have to rip it off and paint it again. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you through this little character-filled home. It is absolutely gorgeous. We've made so many changes in such a tight little space. Come on in and have a look. All right, first little tip, we've got old floors which we did not want to cover. They were absolutely beautiful. We've sanded them back, but we needed to transition into new floors. So what we've done is we've gone from old floors, we've popped in these amazing tiles from Amber. They're the most gorgeous color. They're the same as what is happening in the bathroom, so we've got that continuity. Then we come on in to the new floors, which they are a different color to the originals, but they work because they're the same tones. They're absolutely beautiful. All right, the other thing we did was block in that door, which was the side access. That was the only way that you could get to the backyard. And you literally walked out to a fence. We need a dining area in here. We've got this gorgeous little dining nook that we created. It's got a heap of storage all through the bench seats, which is perfect in a small home. You need a ton of storage. Come on into the kitchen. Now, the hero piece in the kitchen is definitely the Artusi oven, and it's like a piece of art, a piece of jewelry. It works perfectly with this kitchen because it's this buttery, creamy color, which is exactly the same color as all of the walls. Carrera by Design just outdid themselves with this range hood. It's absolutely beautiful. In here, you can see we've kind of got a little bit of balance of sharper corners, but also curved off corners. So here we've got the Caesar stone. We actually curved all of the backsplash here, coming down, but then we've got a sharper corner in the bench tops. Color. Now, I love the color in this kitchen. It's warm, it feels beautiful, it feels homely, but had we done the whole kitchen in that color, it would have been a bit too much. You can see it's not a big kitchen at all, but it feels big for two reasons. And the first reason is that above me, skylights change your life. I cannot preach it enough. Honest to goodness, if you have a closed in space, you stick a skylight in and it changes your whole entire world. The other reason is we have integrated cabinetry. So with integrated cabinetry, everything blends. And if you do it the same color as your walls, which we have done, and the same color as your ceiling, it all just seamlessly works. So this space feels so much bigger. Okay, integrated fridge. Have a squeeze inside, people. Beautiful, nice double doors, really big in a small kitchen, which is fabulous. But if you remember, we had that horrible little shed that was out the back. That was the laundry. We brought the laundry inside, and we have an integrated laundry. You've got everything you need. Before we go out to the other room, let's just have a moment for the beautiful doors that create that exit outside. Corinthian doors, unbelievable detail. They suit the property so perfectly. They are literally a feature in this kitchen. We've got double doors, so it feels quite grand going outside. But come out here and have a look at this. Okay, I am kind of literally in like a James Hardy world, and if you remember what was out here before, you looked into the car park next door, and now what we've created is essentially another room. So the horrible little shed is not so horrible anymore. It's had a James Hardy makeover. We've got it externally, but we also have it internally. So, if you remember, there was a toilet right there. That is what you used to look at. What we like is to stare at something really, really beautiful. We've used here the Rocker Honor toilet from Reese. It's an in-wall system, so it just sits in nicely. You kind of don't notice it, which is what you want about a toilet. So, bath gets pushed all the way as far as it can against the wall. There's no window in here, but we do have that. Again, skylights are the hero. And then we come around here. So the tapware that we've used in here is called the Sussex Scarlet from Reese, and we've used that in the kitchen, and we've also used that in the laundry, and it's in this really soft, beautiful kind of rose gold color, which is gorgeous and just suits the tiles in this bathroom, which is really nice. There's a vacuum cleaner literally in the corner here. So small space, it doesn't take up a lot of room. It does 2-in-1 vacuums and mops. Bob's your uncle. Dyson have done a good job there. Back into the lounge room. Now, there's a few things that we did in this space that I just absolutely love. You walk into this room and you automatically look up, and you do that for 2 different reasons. First of all, we created a picture rail around the whole entire ceiling. You've got these soaring ceilings, they're amazing. The DIY blinds, they're just so pretty. They suit this room so much. The styling here is warm, it's comfortable. It's a beautiful room. Come on into bedroom 2. Again, you can see we've gone from the colour tones in the lounge room and we've kind of dragged it through into the bedroom, and we've done that through all the bed linen with different textures and different colours. All right, now we are about to enter my favourite room, I think, ever. Bedroom, ever. I know that's a big call, and maybe it's just me, I'm not sure. The colour is called Purple Chalk. It's by Dulux, and just having that picture rail across the top as you're lying there and you're staring at these gorgeous ceilings and this gorgeous colour, and you're kind of just completely surrounded by this colour. I'm obsessed with this room. All right, now check out these wardrobes. You can see they're actually really quite slim, and we did that for a reason. We actually could have gone the whole way here, but by having that indent here and then having these steg bar either side to balance it all off, it just gives you that little bit more space throughout the room, and they're really well done, like really gorgeous inside. So we're wrapping it up in my favourite room. You've seen the rest of the house, and oh, I hope the owners love it as much as we do.